Hi! Hello! Mabuhay! Sa dinami-daming magaganda at gwapo sa Marulas, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. I might not be the most pretty, nor the most sexy. For I believe simplicity is always the best. And being simple is truly remarkable. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of your naked eye is a transgender woman who truly fresh and innocent 16-year-old stunner, a former ballet and ballroom dancer. My real name is Francesca Kim Santos, but tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only, ang babaeng nagpatibok sa bihikang puso ni Senator Cheese Escudero, Miss Heart Evangelista. Miss Heart Evangelista, all the way from the plastic capital of Metro Manila, welcome to my hometown, Valenzuela City. But tonight, I am proudly wearing a costume by Ifugao, province of Benguet. And before I get off this stage tonight, I just want to remind people that the beauty of a woman is not in the facial beauty, but the true beauty of a woman is reflected in her soul. Good evening, people of Marulas. Judges, mark my number, because I will give you a show and a night to remember.
Let's
Thank
go!
you so much.